So one of the things that we noticed, or I noticed the other day, I mean, apart from the fact that on day one of trying to get it going, there was petrol pouring out from the bottom of the carbs, which was well noted, and I appreciate that. But the other thing was the fuel tap is definitely leaking. Now, I've replaced, I got a one of these refurbishment kits for the fuel tap, so I've done all of that. So it's just something's not quite tight enough, I think. So I'm just going to whip that back off and just have another look, just to make sure it's okay. I mean, when it was on the other day and it was running, you could just see it was just a little bead forming at the bottom of the tap, so it's definitely leaking. So we'll just get it off, clean it up a bit, and have another look. Okay. Dry as you like. So just a quick one today, really. I don't think there's very much anything exciting watching me doing the wiring. So yeah, where are we up to? We've got brake lights working off the handle and the pedal. We've got side lights working front and back. We've got headlamp working. So what have we got left? We've got indicators, which I couldn't really make head and tail of, and we've got high and low beam on the headlamp, which I've just got to get my head around that as well. But that side is coming on. You know, it's just a case of sitting there with the multimeter, going through the connections and seeing what's good and what's where the power's coming from. I'm not too sure what with the indicators. There's definitely power going to the flasher relay, but then I can't find any power coming back to the indicators. So I'll have to have a look at that. But yeah, so I think you'll agree she's looking a bit better. All good. We've still got to make the bracket to fit the nose cone fairing, which I've got here. So it's going to sit like that. I did manage to find the fairing brackets in the States. Sorry, back on camera. I did manage to find the fairing brackets in the States, and they were £100. They were the only ones I could find. So we're going to be making some of them. So yeah, okay, that's it. I'll see you next time when we'll be continuing with the wiring. And it's just so hot here. I think I'll be commuting on the bike for this week to work, which is good, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And I hope it's nice and sunny where you all are. So yeah, good. Thanks very much for sticking with me. I think you'll agree the Z's starting to look like a nice GP Z550 D1. And I'll see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.